Here I have SOYES S10 Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the language and input section. Language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and as you can see, language changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування. Next, go to the мова та ведення, мова, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.